Welcome to this video on technology for teaching and learning, specifically focusing on the architecture of virtual communities of practice and learning. The core paradigm here is that pedagogy must precede technology. Our primary focus should be the teaching and learning process, using digital tools merely as conduits for building active learning communities. A learning community is defined by common activities, shared decision-making, interdependence, and long-term commitment. In the digital shift, these communities can emerge anywhere, independent of physical location. Community building follows a group development lifecycle: forming, norming, storming, performing, and finally adjourning. Recognizing these stages is vital for virtual facilitation. Storming is often more difficult in virtual environments. The absence of visual cues, lower social constraints, and communication fragmentation can easily escalate minor conflicts. To overcome these technological constraints, we must engineer psychological safety. This involves fostering a culture of honesty, responsiveness, relevance, respect, openness, and empowerment. There are 7 architectural steps to community building, starting with defining your purpose and gathering place, all the way to facilitating subgroups and enabling effective dispute resolution. We must navigate the social versus academic paradox. High social connection doesn't guarantee academic achievement. We aim to move from a coffee shop dynamic to a focused community of practice. Instructors play an active role by engaging with subject matter, tracking participation, conducting targeted outreach, diagnosing trouble signs, and providing dedicated space for social connection. Securing the technological infrastructure is critical. We must provide pre-course familiarization to minimize technical friction and ensure access barriers do not prevent students from engaging. When selecting technology, prioritize usability over novelty. Avoid overly complex interfaces that distract from the material. Choose functional, intuitive tools that support learning. Evaluate your community's health using diagnostic indicators, such as the level of active interaction, resource sharing, student-driven collaboration, and the quality of peer feedback. In summary, a successful online ecosystem synthesizes functional technology, intentional pedagogy, and psychological safety to create a seamless collaborative community of practice. Follow this checklist: focus on process, engineer safety early, guide the community architecture, and continuously monitor the balance between social and academic goals. Thank you for watching this video on the architecture of virtual communities for teaching and learning.